Welcome to the work face. Yeah, see this? Ring doorbell. I'm going to show you how to change the battery again. Somebody said my other video didn't really show you clear enough what you had to do, so I'm going to zoom right in now. You need one of these. It comes with the Ring doorbell. I'm going to do this one-handed so you don't have to. Let's flip that camera around. Okay folks, so using this screwdriver, do you know I filmed this a second ago and I didn't hit record? Literally pop it in there and unscrew, and this is how quick this is to do. So you can do this in about 20 seconds. Now two hands is easier because I can catch the screw more easily, but I'm pretty skilled with that. So I'm going to take that screw out there. You just grab the side there and pull outwards. Sometimes it is a little bit more difficult, but you are just pulling it out, okay? So you're pulling it that way out, okay? Then on here there's a push button, so finger on either side, so you can pull down a little bit, push that button in and then just pull down, okay? Should be as straightforward as that. I would recommend having another one of these fully charged up so you don't have to wait. So get another one off the net, off Amazon, you can buy those, and then just push that up until that clicks, okay? It's as simple as that. And then push that one on. You'll see that light flashing to let you know that it's back on, and when you push it on, it goes nice and tight down the sides here. You can see there's no gap. There's a line through here, but no gaps as such. I'm now just going to screw that in a little bit at the bottom with my fingers, just so that it catches there. I think I've got that about right. It's easier of course with, let me just unscrew it and make sure the thread's right. There we go. And then in you go, just screw her right back up. So it's as easy as that. Will take you to do it once, and there it is secure on the. So it takes about 30 seconds to change that battery, and as I say, get another battery off Amazon. You can buy them singularly, and then you can charge that one up and have it ready to go, and certainly start charging it when you get the notification from Ring that your battery is going to need replacing. It does that probably a couple of days before you need to, so then you can get that battery charged up, come out and just literally switch them over. That way you haven't got to wait with your Ring doorbell being offline. Comment below folks, and also ask for any further tips, like and describe and all that tosh we do on YouTube. Catch you guys on the Ring Schming flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.